हेलो, गुड इवनिंग सभी को। आप सभी का स्वागत है आज के सेशन में। एंड यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि मैं आज कैसे बैठी हुई हूँ। सो वी आर इन अ हाइपोथेटिकल ऑफिस और आज का पूरा सेशन डेडिकेटेड है टू द ऑफिस गोअर्स and to the people who have long sitting hours and long screen hours. So I know I've been working for so many years, more than 30 years plus experience. So I know, it's so tough doing and putting in so much hours to the job, getting tired, then getting up again next day and, keeping that constant energy. So, but obviously we need to keep going and keep relaxing and be happy. Let's start today's session with a big smile. आइए सबसे पहले प्रेयर के लिए हाथ जोड़ लेते हैं। कमर गर्दन सीधी, कंधे रिलैक्स्ड, चेहरे पर हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट, चेहरे पर कृतज्ञता का भाव। Just be thankful for your blessings and keep trying for the better. With that frame of mind, let's start. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। And slowly, whenever you feel like, you may open your eyes. आज हम खड़े होने से पहले we'll just be doing all the sitting moments. That too, I'm just using only office chair so that the moments that you can actually perform, we'll be doing those moments only. So we'll start with the neck moments. So just simply keep doing with me. We breathe in, move our neck to the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. So coming in your series of neck stiffness, we'll do a forward and backward movement. Backward with an inhale, front, Forward with an exhale. Back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. So we can do 5 counts each. Now the side stretches for the neck. Right, left, right, left. So whenever we come in the center, we inhale, and whenever we go to the sides or back or front, then we do, respective exhalations. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now instead of full circulation of the neck, we'll do half semicircles today. So it could be like, just take your neck down. Just bring it here. Going backwards and down. So we'll inhale slowly. Go to your right, back, left. Come back in the center. Now inhale. Go to your left, back, and exhaling, come down. So we can do this 5 times. Also would like to add that while we are sitting, so our back should be straight. While we are doing exercises, our hands here, shoulders relaxed, and neck also straight. So now we can do some shoulder movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can do some shoulder shrugs also. Just shrug off the tension and embrace the happiness. Now, some more moments with the forward circulation. This will relax your shoulders. And now backward. Now sitting the chair itself, we can do some side stretches. Okay, we can try to even raise our shoulders, putting a little pressure on the chair arms. And also a cat-cow stretch can be done. So we'll just arch our back. And then in the front, relax, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, and squeeze. We can do some side bends also. We'll just put our hand on the alternate knee and just hold your chair or side from the back side and take a turn to the other side. So this will give you a little spinal twist. Coming back in center. Now put your knee to the other one. Again, look back. Come in the center. We'll repeat this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I believe यहाँ तक सब clear है सबको. So just give a thumbs up if you're able to follow. I think all easy things. Now, if there is a space with you, you can try your knee extensions because you have long hours and अगर नीचे टांग लटका के रखते हैं तो काफी tiring हो जाता है. So we can do some knee extensions. 1, 2, 1, 2. So while you're taking your knee up, just try that you flex the foot and then stretch it. Flex, stretch, and down. Flex, stretch, and down. Flex, stretch, and down. Flex, stretch, and down. Flex means that you're bringing your toes towards you. Stretch means taking your toes out from you and down. Front, back, and down. Front, back, and down. One more time. Flex, stretch, and down. Flex, stretch, and down. After that, we'll do some knee push-ups. Actually, we can push up our ankles and also the toes. So first, we'll push up our ankles like this, where your ankles are on the floor and you're pushing it like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is it clear? 1. Your toes are on the floor and your ankles are up. And then your ankles are down and your toes are up. So we can do this alternately. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now, keeping your hands on your chair sideways. अब हम करेंगे ankle rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. आ जाएं लेफ्ट साइड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. वापस अदर साइड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we'll do some standing exercises now. Yes. तो हम खड़े होके कर लेंगे पहले. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेच. So whenever you just get up, you can do this. A full body stretch like this. अब इसे हम ताड़ासन कह सकते हैं. ओनली थिंग इज वी आर नॉट जस्ट रेजिंग आवर टोज. आप उसे भी उठा सकते हैं. और अब इसी के लिए हम करेंगे साइड स्ट्रेच विद द ताड़ासन. ऑफिस में आप वॉक तो करते ही रहते हैं. लेट्स डू अ लिटिल वॉक. You can also do some bouncy movements. Just shrug off. So you can keep walking. Shrug off भी कर सकते हैं. Your hands, your shoulders. And now visit again. Say after a break, a tree break or so. And again, we have to start working on our laptop and computer. So we'll do some eye movements also. So you can do it with me. So we can just blink our eyes. Simple. Then we can also do back and forward movements, back and top movements of the eyes. Then we'll do right and left. Then we'll do circular movements. And let's do it together. Blinking of the eyes. Okay, we can cup them also. Just relax. Take a while. Move to the right, to the left. right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now top, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we can also see diagonal movements to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left, to your left, right, to your left. Then from the other side, like left is up, right is down, left is up, right is down, left is up, right is down, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we do circular movements, clockwise and anti-clockwise. You may also close your eyes if you're feeling a bit tired. Just close and do circular movements, clockwise, and now anti-clockwise. Now we'll be doing some pranayama, because we might relax our body, but if our mind is not relaxed, then we'll get tired, you know. So let's close our eyes. We'll take few long breaths. You can open, so that you can learn it first and then we can continue. So just close your eyes, take long 2-3 breaths. Now you may open your eyes. Actually, I've got another set of asanas too, which you can perform on your own at home while very much tired, but that we can take up in the part 2 of this series. So today we are just focusing on the asana pranayam, which you can do from the office. So let's start. We'll be doing Anulom Vilom, Bhramri to start with. Okay? अनुलोम विलोम के लिए आप अपना एक हाथ लेफ्ट घुटने पे रखेंगे इन ज्ञान मुद्रा, एंड दूसरा हाथ आपका रहेगा